comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Stock Brother bringing you those bangers. Today we're going to talk about 4 hot stocks that you guys need to really take a look at. So make sure you watch this whole video because there's a lot of important information that you don't want to miss. And also smash that like button, guys. The likes are free and it really helps my channel with the YouTube algorithm. And lastly, shout out to my Patreon family. Thank you for supporting the channel. And I know you guys are getting those alerts and you guys have been making bank with those alerts. Alright, so let's take care of some business and then we're going to get right into it. If you're new to the channel, this channel is about making that money, investing in stocks, and of course making more money. So before we get started, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and smash that like button. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and family so we can all get that paper together. If you want to support the channel, hit up the Patreon, and as a bonus, you get real-time alerts of when I enter and when I exit my stocks. It's an easy way for you to see what I'm doing and to follow along. We're getting that paper, baby. Now the first stock on the list is Hertz Global Holdings, ticker symbol HTZZ. This stock closed at $31.02 and it was up over 9% for the day. Now the stock had a gain of $2.56. Now if we take a look at the year range, we can see that the stock ranged from $14.15 to its high of $35. So we're very close to the high. Now Hertz came out with some really big news earlier in the week. Now an article that came out on Yahoo Finance indicated that Hertz was partnering with Uber and Carvana to offer Tesla rentals. Now why is this big news for Hertz? Now let's go down further into the article, and it says that Hertz made that announcement about that purchase about 100,000 Teslas for delivery at the end of next year. Okay, now the article continues by saying, but when you consider the potential cost savings that Hertz could see if the reconciliation spending bill in Congress gets passed with its electric vehicle tax credits as planned, that is something that could help offset some of these costs. And this is a detail that the Wall Street Journal actually pointed out in an earlier article today. Now the Outlook estimated that the Tesla that Hertz bought would likely count as a qualified commercial electric vehicle for that tax credit, and that 30% credit could save Hertz about $1.26 billion. Okay, so Hertz is smart. They're looking at what's going on in the news, what the president is trying to pass, and they're seeing that they can save a lot of money buying these Teslas and getting these tax credits. Now another reason why the Hertz stock price is up is because they reported strong quarterly results. Now they came out with a total revenue of $2.2 billion, which is up 19% from the second quarter of 2021. They also had a net income of $605 million, or $1.13 per diluted share. Now Hertz is definitely a company to keep your eye on and possibly add to your portfolio. Now the next stock on the list is Lending Club Corp, ticker symbol LC. This stock closed at $45.96. They're up over 9% for the day with a gain of $3.89. Now if we take a look at the year range for this stock, we can see that the low was $4.40 and the high was $46.92. So the stock is very close to its high. And this stock has done really great for the year. Now according to the Motley Fool, Lending Club surged 33% higher on Thursday after the financial services company delivered strong third quarter results. Okay, it goes on to say that revenue climbed 20% to $246 million, fueled by a 14% jump in loan originations to $3.1 billion. Now, according to CEO Scott Sanborn, he states that our success continues to be driven by our competitive advantages, including our growing base of 3.8 million members, our exceptional data science capabilities, and our proven marketplace model. Now the article continues where Wedbush analyst Henry Coffey boosted his price forecast for London Club stock to $50. He went from $33.50 to $50. So it looks like there's a lot of room for this stock to grow. Now if we take a look at tip ranks, we can see that 4 analysts are currently covering the stock. 3 of them with a buy, 1 of them with a hold. Now the average price for the stock is $43.50, which it has surpassed already, and the highest price target is at $55. The next stock on the list is Lucid Group, ticker symbol LCID. Now this stock closed at $36.99 and it was up over 4% for the day. They had a gain of $1.51. Now this is a stock that we covered in a previous video. That video came out on September 19th. I'll put a link below to that video. But in that video, when we discussed Lucid, the stock price was $22. So the stock has gone up tremendously since the last time we discussed it. Now Lucid also has some big news this week. Now an article that's titled "Dreams Come True, Lucid confirms first customer deliveries to take place on October 30th. Now going down into the article, it says Lucid Group, which is setting new standards with its advanced luxury EVs, today announced initial customer deliveries of the Dream Edition launch version of Lucid Air, which sets new benchmarks in range and efficiency for electric vehicles. The first group of Dream Edition reservation holders are invited to take delivery of their vehicles on Saturday, October 30th. Highlights will be shared on Lucid's social media channels throughout the weekend. Now, the Dream Edition range achieves an estimated 520 miles on a single charge, according to the EPA, making it the longest range for any electric car rated by the organization. Okay, so that's big right there. Now Lucid, like I said, this is a stock you put in your portfolio, you hold it for the long term, and you just forget about it, man, because you know this stock is gonna be big. Okay, and I strongly believe that Lucid is strongly headed in the direction of Tesla. Now if we take a look at the Tesla shares, you can see that Tesla's trading at $1,100, over $1,100, and I believe that Lucid is headed in that same direction. So again, we spoke about this stock when it was $22. Now it's back up to $36.99, and I believe it's straight up from there on. Now the next stock on the list is FuelCell Energy, ticker symbol FCEL. Now this stock closed at $7.99 and it was up over 5% for the day. It had a gain of 42 cents. Now as we can see from the year range, this stock was at $1.98 and it went all the way up to $29.44. So it's come down a lot. Okay, but I think this stock has a lot of potential in the long term. Now a little bit about this stock. Now FuelCell Energy is a publicly traded fuel cell company headquartered in Danbury, Connecticut. It designs, manufactures, operates, and services direct fuel cell power plants. The company's fuel cell technology is an alternative to traditional combustion-based power generation and is complementary to intermittent sources of energy such as solar and wind turbines. Now, the reason why I think this stock has a lot of potential in the long run is because of what's going on in Congress. Now, as we know, the Senate just passed the $1 trillion infrastructure bill that Biden has been pushing, and they passed it with bipartisan support. So that's a stock that you need to keep your eyes on, maybe hold it for the long term, and I think it has a lot of potential. Now that's all I got for you guys for today. Let me know down below what you thought about the stocks that we did discuss. Do you think the stocks are gonna go up? Do you think Lucid has a bright future? Do you think Hertz is a stock that we should be invested in? So let me know down below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and please also hit that like button so you can help my channel with the YouTube algorithm. All right, So until next time, let's get that paper.